Well, good afternoon, everyone. I know I haven't gave very much updates on the house build. It's because I've had knee surgery and I'm still hobbling around. I still got stitches in my knee, but they're coming tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to get out here and get some of this drain tile. I know I probably shouldn't be out here, but things got to move along and nobody else is gonna do it for me. So I'm gonna try to get this thing done, so stay tuned. We're gonna try to stick this pipe through that little hole right there back behind that. And we got to get a sock on there, so we'll try to put the sock on there and stick it through there and see if we can get this done. Okay, we started putting the sock on here. So we're going to take the sock and put it all the way through there before we stick it through the hose, so stay tuned. Get the hole spacing down. Oh, that was stupid. Now, I shouldn't have probably put so much stuff coming through here, but that's okay. We'll get it hooked together. I'm going to get it primed up and get it hooked together here. Try to glue one side of these pipes together. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue in and then try to snake this thing back up on here. So I need to try to pull this sock back up on here as much as I can. That way I can try to glue the end of this thing. But it is really tight in here. And I've got to twist this thing a little bit too. Here, I can pull it now that I can hang on to the thing. There, let's make sure those holes are facing down. So I've got some cloth in here in my pocket. We'll clean up this pipe a little bit. Put some primer on here. Get it loosened up. Eat it. And I'm just using this little baby kit. It'd be nicer to have the bigger size. And this doesn't need to be perfect. This is not normal drain. This is just for drain tile. And I'm hopeful my glue is not locked up here. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to go get a pair of pliers probably, because I did not bring a pair of pliers over here. And I'm sweating my butt off. My hands are sliding. I'll be right back. All right, we got the pliers and we got it opened up. So now we can put some glue on here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect here. Just because we know we're not. Let me bust this concrete out right here a little bit. Where'd my hammer go? Okay, get the holes lined up. Where's the holes in the first pipe? Come on, where you at? Holes in the second pipe. There we go. Okay, they're lined up. Now we can pull the sock down to this side. Whew. It's a workout, I'll tell you that. Oh, my knee. I don't know if I'm gonna do this one person. All we have to do is get it far enough through. That way we can connect another pipe on the other side. So stay tuned. Got the sock through there. Just wanting to catch on this top side just a little bit. This hump right here in the middle is what's getting me. You know, I need this block my phone's on, so I turned that off. Whew. This is the hardest point right here, and we got it through both dead mans, and so we're good to go. So let me get the pipe glue and stuff, and we'll come over here and start gluing up on this side. Well, just my luck, it's getting ready to rain on me, so I better hurry up. I'm gonna get these pipes glued together down here, and I've got that pipe banged through, so we're just gonna glue them right quick, and at least get that done, see if we can get as much of this together as we can. Whew. Gotta be careful sitting down on that knee. Okay. So again, we want to make sure our perforated lines are pointing down. And we're going to connect this thing in. Let's clean this drain tile off just a little bit. Let's get it pointed down. Okay, that's pointed down. Pointing down, holes are pointing down. Awesome. So now what we're going to do is connect these two socks together. Try to keep as much dirt out of here as best as we can. There we go. Well, the rainstorms that were coming through, they kind of passed through. It's still cloudy, but we got this whole stretch out here behind us done. Now we have to do is elbow to go to the side of the retaining wall, and then back this way. We've got it past both the dead mans here. We got right on the other side of the dead man. We have to go into that corner and then go out around the corner and back out, and then we'll be done. Let's cut off a little bit into this pipe. One pipe got turned on me just a little bit down there. It'll be fine. Okay, let's go over here and glue these pipes together over here, so just stay tuned. Well, you're gonna have to just watch from a different angle. Well, we finished up out here at the land. It was a late night. We got quite a bit of the drain tile put in and put the sock around it and got it all glued together, but we got a little section still left to do. I know my knee's not doing good, and man, it would be one of those times where you'd like to have some help and be able to get some help to get things done. It's pretty hard with being down on your knee and trying to do it one person. I mean, if you had a good knee, it might have been all right, you know, but it'd still be nice to have two, but for sure with the down knee. But I appreciate you guys following along. Until next time, God bless you all.